Surprise! Surprise!
Here we go. What is it, buddy?
That's what.
It is?
Whoa!
What's this? This is for you?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's for me.
Liam, how about this one? Liam? This one's from brother, right?
I like this
Wow.
one.
You like that one?
Where's this cover? I got open it too.
Go ahead.
Wait, let's do the vacuum. A vacuum. I did with this car.
Vacuum.
Vacuum.
Alright guys, so listen to the rules of the game, okay? Whoever cleans up all their mess in the circles first gets a surprise, okay? Okay, so who do you think is gonna win? Who's gonna win, Liam or Makai? You're both gonna win?
Oh, okay.
Alright, now Daddy's gonna pour the mess. Oh, Liam's already started.
You ready? I'll pour it now. You ready?
Okay, hold on. Daddy's gonna pour it for you. Ready? Okay, I'll count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Clean, 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 clean! Go, go, faster, faster, faster!
Did you win?
Yeah, I do.
You did?
So who cleaned up the most mess?
Me, I got an baby cream,
see?
and mommy
Yeah.
and
Good
daddy
luck.
cream on this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so now we need to see who is the winner of the challenge.
Me.
Who won the
Who's
lollipop?
gonna get the lollipop?
Me.
Are you? Is it you, Liam?
Say yes.
You lollipop for you?
Why was it for me?
All right, so let's do this. Okay. Let's see.
Hmm.
This looks like a close one.
Oh.
Liam's pile is looking really
Oh.
heavy over there.
Oh, you trying to help me
Let's
put
see,
it in? Okay.
Let's see. Let's see.
Hmm.
I don't
We
know.
make a big house.
You know what? It actually looks like Liam's did really good though, didn't it?
Actually, you picked up a lot, actually.
All right, guys.
Say, I win.
I
Liam, say, I win.
win. I win.
Say, high five. High five each other. Come on. Say, good job.
Good job. Like that.
Well, to be honest with you, it doesn't look like we're gonna get a true definite
Bye. I got
count. What you think?
Bye.
Oh, okay, bye. Cause who you win? Yeah.
What did you just say?
Bye.
Okay.
All right, so we need to call a winner. I think, I think they both win. What do you think?
It's a tie. You both win.
Yeah.
Say,
Remember.
You the winner?
And winner too.
You
you
are?
both win.
Are you guys ready to see your surprise?
Yes.
All right, let's see. Daddy, let's show them what the winners win.
Yay.
Guys, ready?
Oh, guys.
Close your eyes. Set. Let's see the surprise. Yay! What do you have? What did you win?
I have a lollipop. Can I open it? Open it.
Of course. Let's see. All right, so it looks like we have two Dysons here.
Made by Catson.
Catson.